What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our
channel.
We're gonna try this again. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our
Yeah, exactly. What's up, guys? Today we're here doing a mukbang.
I'm Nelly, and you are?
A maid.
You know Nelly got the thing on
Because
her
he
face.
thinks I'm his maid.
Yeah, my man, my baby girl, and I love you.
You
Let
are.
me tell you something, y'all. We're gonna talk about this. We're gonna tell you guys why we've been gone. We're gonna tell you.
Why do you have that on your face?
My baby gave me a shape up and all that. You know what I'm saying? You could tell I got shape up, right? And she gave me a little razor and all that. But it's just a little mishaps. I got $150 real quick on the side. Before she gave me the shape up, I was fighting some niggas.
Yeah, whatever.
That's why I got right though. You know what I'm saying? But nigga caught me a little bit. I'm like, I'm gonna take them, put a little bandage on it. And ain't about nothing.
Please. Anyway, so we got some crab legs and a lot of other things from the boiling crab. We love the boiling crab. When we moved here, this was our first time trying it and we've been obsessed ever since. So we're gonna be doing a mukbang and yeah, we're gonna talk about all the questions that you guys have and let's get to it. Wait, we need the little utensils. Menelik, stop being obnoxious. Who does that?
Food. You don't get excited with food?
Where's the crab leg stuff?
I use my hands. In boiling crab, you use your hands.
Menelik.
Break it with your hands. Right here, I don't know what this is. Oh, yeah. We got some shrimp. I'm just opening it up like this. Open it up like this, because you know me. I want y'all to see what I'm eating.
You didn't get it with the rice?
The rice is right.
Do I got my own?
You ordered this, so.
Do I have my own?
No, you didn't order your own.
So what's that?
Fries. I ordered fries.
We both got snow crab legs with whole shebang sauce and it's mild. I feel like this one has more crab legs.
Boiling crab don't have no plates.
Yeah, you just eat on the table, but I'm not eating on no table. I ain't eating on my table. What's it called? B-Love eats on her table too. And
I want to taste her sauce. I know her sauce is fire.
yeah, we actually need to taste her sauce.
B-Love, we're gonna taste your sauce, trust.
These shrimps. Oh my god.
We got extra sauce. So for you guys that haven't been there, it's called what?
The boiling crab.
No, the sauce.
No. Okay. So they have several sauces, but we get the whole shebang. The whole shebang is everything.
The whole shebang.
Mixed together.
It's every sauce mixed together, whether it's garlic,
Lemon, pepper, and
something
Cajun.
else. Yeah, she knows. I don't know. I just eat. Nah, I'm gonna eat with this shirt. They didn't give us a bib. That's not righteous, bro.
Sorry, you guys, we're really hungry. We haven't ate since breakfast. So we also got some mussels with the whole shebang sauce. I just started eating mussels recently, so I'm really excited about it. And then in here is the snow crab legs.
You see, I share. Always remember that Menelik shares.
It's not the fact that you share, you just don't want to eat that one.
Always remember that Menelik shares, y'all.
Anyway,
Sharing is caring.
I want to try this mussel.
Look
at
at
this.
Look at the shrimp.
Look at this, you guys. Wait, is that here? Oh no, that's the mussel. Look at this. Oh my god. And this has the whole shebang sauce on it as well. Let's dip it in. Wait. This is gonna be so fucking good. Wow. Like, I'm actually really excited.
You excited over this?
Wait, this thing needs to be mixed.
This bang needs to be mixed.
This thing.
Oh.
Alright, let's taste the mussel. You eat mussels, right?
I went to an ASMR eating video. I want you guys to hear me eat.
Yeah, right.
Now I'm playing, I'm joking. I don't really eat like that.
The mussels are okay. Do you want them?
I'll taste it.
Okay.
You gotta remember how I told you how to crack the crab?
You didn't teach them that.
I taught them how to crack the crab.
Oh, who taught you?
Me? Myself. You crack it like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see this?
Okay.
Crack it a little like that. You turn to the other side, right? A little like that. Turn to the other side. Crack the other side. Comes like this now, right?
No.
It's broken. Now look.
Yeah.
That's what you do.
That's why you don't do that.
You feel me? So you get this, right? Dip it in the sauce. Should get saucy right quick, you know what I mean? And you eat it. The same thing with the other side.
Okay. Now I'm about to body my crab legs.
We gotta tell them where we've been, because
Where have we been?
they're highly upset. And they said in the last video that we separated. Let me clear that up for y'all.
Yeah, everybody's been saying that we separated because of what?
Because of the name of our video. I personally didn't know you guys would take it so like
Literal?
literal. I thought you would understand. We separated, I should have said for the day. We separated for the day. I went to a basketball game. She was spending time with her family, pumpkin patch, taking pictures, whatever. We're in New York. We don't have to be under each other all the time. And that's something we have to learn, because we're new to this. We're new to living together. Whether we've been together in New York or whatever the case may be, is different when you with someone 24/7. And we live together now, so we're learning. You know, it's not easy. It's not an easy transition. Like, yeah, I've lived by myself in the past. I've never lived with her, so this is new to me, just like it is for her. And we have to understand each other more, and we're actually getting to know each other more. And it's not an easy task, but it's like a roller coaster. And I'm willing to get on the roller coaster with you, and you're willing to get on it with me. And we're on the roller coaster and we're trying to figure it out. Life isn't easy. Nothing in life is easy.
Are you saying we broke up?
No, we didn't break up.
We've actually never broken up, you guys. Just so you know. Like, we're not like the couple that's on and off.
Yeah.
Like, we both made it clear.
We could get mad at each other, but
we don't break up. We made that a rule at the beginning.
At the beginning of our relationship.
Yeah.
Like, you know how people are in a relationship and they break up today, and then they're back together tomorrow, and stuff like that?
Yeah, we said we didn't want to do that.
If we're gonna do that, why are we even in this relationship to do that? Everybody has their own rules and whatever to relationships, but
that's just ours.
That's just ours, because it's hard. Like, in that moment, you never know how you could feel in that moment. You could do something that there's no coming back to. And then it's like, are you gonna lie to the next person, or what are you gonna, like, you feel me? I don't want to deal with that. I've been there, done that.
I want to clarify that Menelik was not mad. Like, he did not break up with me because of that prank, you guys. Like, it wasn't like, he did not break up with me. And he did not,
I wasn't mad.
Yeah, everybody thought you were like,
No, I'm not mad.
Super pissed.
I mean, it was funny.
And they felt like, a lot of people felt like, everybody felt like I embarrassed you. Like, all the things you do for me. And that's what I do.
But everybody has their own opinion.
Right.
Granted, everyone's allowed their own opinion.
Personally, for me, when I went back to New York, like, I don't know. I feel like when I'm with my family, like, I don't like to really, like, post or vlog or anything. I want to, like, really spend time with them. You guys don't. I'm really family oriented. And I feel like that was just time for me to just catch up with my family because I had missed them so much. I remember I was getting over my sickness, and I finally did go in my head, even on my channel. I'm sorry about that. And Vlogmas, I mean, I know it's November, but Vlogmas is gonna be lit. You guys know Vlogmas was lit last year. I was doing it with Menelik, but at the same time, he wasn't in the vlog, so this year is gonna be so much better. Right?
It's gonna be lit, trust. And our anniversary is coming up.
Yep.
What do you want to do for our anniversary?
Go shopping.
Why do you want to do a shop?
What do you want to do? Huh?
I want to travel.
You want to travel?
I don't know. You know me, I like to travel and I like jewelry. That's my style.
I don't want my last crab leg because I don't care for them right now. And I don't care for the muscles right now. But I'll take that shrimp.
No.
You want to change your shrimp?
No.
I'll eat the rice dip. You can eat the fries. No, I don't want it.
You don't gotta tell me twice.
You serious?
If you don't want it.
I did want it. You're supposed to. You were supposed to shove it down my throat and make me eat it.
Hey!
You're disgusting.
Me or you?
Why are your boys so nasty?
You're the one that said it.
You want some of my damn drink.
Thanks, baby.
Alright.
I love you.
No, you don't.
I do.
I'm done with my food.
Why do you like that? It's just food.
What?
I'm done with my food.
Cause that's on period. And that's on period.
Some food?
Chicka. That's how the baby, with the baby. Hello, I'm feeding you already. Crunch.
Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo.
Babies do that.
Choo choo.
You're gonna shove it in my mouth?
Yeah, that's what we'll do. Yeah.
Shove it in the baby's mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever fed a baby?
Yeah, I feed you all the time. What?
Nope, I'm not a baby.
You're my baby.
Oh, you're fake. We fake, y'all.
I'm not fake because you're my baby.
I'm talking about a baby.
You're not the baby, but you my baby.
Do you feed a baby? Have you ever fed a baby? Have you ever even held a baby?
Yeah.
Whose baby you held? Yours?
My babies, my cousins.
Do y'all know he got a baby somewhere?
A couple.
You have a couple babies?
Yeah, I told you that already. Don't act like it's some new shit.
He ain't stupid. My first child is gonna be his first child. Right?
I would hope so.
What? What is that supposed to mean?
What's that supposed to mean?
What is it supposed to mean? Every time he's thinking that he's gonna throw up, he does that. That's not how people throw up.
You don't know how everybody can throw different.
It's not like they don't do that. They don't do that.
Ooh.
Okay, so have you ever fed a baby?
No.
Have you ever held one? Have you ever changed a diaper?
No.
You want to?
No.
You don't want to change poop?
No.
Why?
I'm not really that kind of guy. Like the guy that wants to go out his way and change poop. No. We know you guys want the furnished apartment tour. It's coming soon. Like it's coming soon to a theater near you. And also, my baby girl is getting honored for an award in a week.
Yes, I am nominated for Trendsetter of the Year at the AIA Awards. So, you guys, make sure you vote so I can win because We have to take this W home. Like, please make sure you vote. Please click the link in the description box and vote for me. Go to my section, just scroll over, and all you have to do is just click my picture. It's no sign up needed. Don't have to put in any
all you
information.
Gotta do is click.
All you have to do is just click and vote my picture, my name. Just click for me, please. I need to win this. I have a whole okay, this has to be a moment for me.
So make sure you guys do that. In the comment box down below, just put in some ideas of some videos you want us to do, or any mukbang topics you guys want us to touch on.
Yeah, I know you guys have a lot of questions, and we really just want to answer those questions that you guys have been coming up with for the past couple of weeks that we kind of been gone. So make sure you're putting those down below. Thank you guys so much for watching our channel and our mukbang.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.